Shandong Dingli Construction Machinery Company Limited, a modern cooperative enterprise established in 2008, registered capital 8 million RMB, professionally producing rotary drill rig and other construction machinery. Our company is a professional manufacturer engaged in research and development, covers an area of 10,000 square meters. Our company has established long-term cooperation relations with many international accessory suppliers such as Cummins, Rexroth, Kawasoki, and so on. The company has independent import and export rights, has passed the ISO 9001 certification, and has obtained CE certification, SGS certification. Products have been recognized by the global authority. Our rotary drilling rig has reliable quality, beautiful appearance, practical structure, and thoughtful after-sales service. Widely used in urban construction, bridge piles of various expressways, railways, and other transportation facilities. Bearing structure piles of large-scale buildings and port wharves, viaduct bridge piles in cities, etc., and won the majority of users' trust and praise. The products have exported to Australia, South Africa, Russia, and Africa, and so on. Meanwhile, our products enjoy the less investment, high efficiency reputation all over the world. As the manufacturer of the rotary drilling rig, we also can customize the machinery according to customers' requirements. We not only provide the machinery, but also provide the most reliable brand to our clients. Welcome to visit our factory. Welcome to China, and looking forward to establishing a long-term business relationship with you.